Hello guys, Rob here. EOS 1.8 is now live on the mainnet. About 40 minutes ago at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, the 1.8 countdown hit 0 and the block producers click the activation button, and now EOS mainnet is running on 1.8. I have added the 1.8 activation block producer live call video to the top of the EOS 1.8 tracker page on EOS Newswire. If you want to check that out, link in the description. So everything went smoothly, though Bitfinex was having trouble and they were dropping blocks. So if we take a look at the top block producers here, you can see the community responded, removing their votes from Bitfinex. Bitfinex dropping 15 positions in a matter of minutes, now sitting in a standby spot. Voting working exactly like it should. Bitfinex was dropping blocks. They weren't able to produce blocks on the new 1.8 when the upgrade went through. The community responded, removing their votes in a matter of minutes, pushing them outside of the top 21. The top 21 are the block producers that actually produce blocks. So that was really good to see. Accountability. Bitfinex obviously did not have their node ready, so the community responded, pushing them outside the top 21, so they no longer were producing blocks. And this all happened, like I said, in a matter of minutes, so that was good to see. If we look at the recent blocks coming through, everything appears to be up and running good. Transactions in the blocks, actions in the blocks. We have blocks coming through, and people are sending transactions and doing actions like normal. So now there still is a multi-sig needed from the top block producers to activate some of the features. A poll was put up during the live BP call in this video here, and we should have the results from that poll shortly, I'd say within a day or so. So we will know exactly when, within a day or so, when all these features are going to be activated. So look out for that. I'll give updates on my Twitter, linked below in the description, and might do another video on that as well. The Chinese BPs were worried about the upcoming Chinese 2-week holiday starting on October 1st. So some of them wanted to push back the multi-sig to activate these features until after that. So we will see in a day or two, based on this poll, if we are going to see the activation coming up in the next couple days, or if it is going to be pushed back until after that Chinese holiday a couple weeks from now. So I will keep you guys updated on that. But the short of it is, EOS 1.8 activation upgrade went smoothly. Bitfinex, who was in the top 10, started missing blocks once the 1.8 upgrade went through. So great to see the community respond and remove their votes from Bitfinex in a matter of minutes, pushing them outside that top 21 number, so they no longer had to produce blocks, giving them time to iron out any bugs they had and get their hardware back up to standard for this new 1.8 upgrade. That's going to do it for this quick update, guys. The Telos mainnet is going to 1.8, scheduled for September 26th, 2019 at 1700 UTC. So just a couple days from now, Telos itself will be going through this process and activating 1.8 on the Telos mainnet. If you're not on Telos yet and you want to get your free account or learn more about Telos, check out the link in the description. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. But that's going to do it for me for this quick update, guys. I will see you in the next one.